everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today we will learn another lesson. Are you ready to learn? Everybody, let's read the following words. Become, between, relax, delight, evening, emergency, recess, decide. What have you noticed in these words? Yes, they have letter E. And what's the sound of letter E? Very good. We will learn about the long E sound. What's the sound? E. 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 Very good. There are many different ways of spelling the long E sound. These are: first, we have E as in E. The long E sound is spelled with just the letter E. These are the examples: me, we, he, she, here, even. Double E as in E. So many words spell the long E sound with the letters E, E. In these words, the long E sound usually appears in the middle of the word and occasionally appears at the end of the word. Read the examples. 3, me, sleep, week, 13. E, A as in E. The very common way of spelling the long E sound is with the letters E, A. Read the examples. Eat, fear, clear, weak, little, peace. IE as in E. Some long E sounds are spelled with the letters IE. These are the examples: field, relief, shield, chief, siege, disbelief. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.